Good job, boys. Trans brake. I knew it. I'm like,
I was pushing it back.
I've done that. I've been down that road.
Good job, Joe!
Good job, Jerry! Put it neutral.
Oh, now we got brake fluid everywhere.
Hey, you got it right.
You don't gotta go, but get that power off the start. Look, right there.
Look.
No, that's juice.
No, that was his front tire.
Why? Then you tell him don't sit. He goes, no. He goes, I'd rather go down the road than sit. And I go, then tell him to no. And he goes, no.
Nice job.
Yes, sir.
Look
Thank
good.
you. And we finally got a little bit figured out.
Damn it. Now we gotta figure that out.
Damn it.
That's new.
What the? You got a spare with you, I'm sure.
A button? If it's a button, I got a spare button.
I don't know. It's weird.
Guess I don't need to drag.
Run over and shut your power off. He wants you to roll through.
Oh, what? I was.
You were sitting there trying to remember which one to let off.
Right. I didn't want to. I had to think about it.
Yeah. I was trying to figure out which one to let off. And he said, shut his power off.
Thank you, man. Who I needed that?
Man, it's fun to drive.
Chain brake.
I know. It still left good on just the foot brake.
The trans brake button's working, but the trans brake and the transmission's not. So I had to have my crew push me back to the starting line, and then it still wasn't working. So I had to try to leave off the foot brake and let go of the trans brake at the same time, so the timers went. Jerry's is lucky he didn't leave with me because we were hauling ass.
I gotta call you out, bro.
All right, man.
You need a button? I got a button if it'll fix it.
I don't think it's a button.
If it is, I
It's
got one.
It's still working. It's just, it's something.
Whatever you need to do.
We just gotta figure it out. Could be a blown fuse, could be something minor, but it's still good. We good. All right, we lost another spot. Badass. Aye, aye, aye.